Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss more about if-else statements. You can see this first example, string comparison. In S1 variable there is RAM and in S2 variable there is also RAM, and I have written here if S1 equal to S2, then print equal is print not equal. If I run this program, you can see the output equal because RAM and RAM is equal. If I change this, run this program, not equal. This comparison is based on ASCII value because the ASCII value of capital RAM, capital R, and ASCII value of small r is different. So you can see the output not equal to. If I write here Sita, you can see the output not equal to. Another program, vowel checking. In ch variable, I am going to enter one character and I want to compare this character from capital A vowel to capital U vowel and capital small a vowel to small u vowel. If this if statement is true, then you will see this output. If this statement is false, then you can see this output. And I have written here ch equal to a or is operator. If this condition is false, then check this. Means in or condition, if any condition is true, then you will see this output. Now I want to run this program. Enter any character. You have to enter. Suppose I have entered small o. You can see output is vowel. Again capital P, not vowel. In this program, you have to check only vowel or not vowel. You can see this last, first to last. And in another program, I have separated this. Suppose you want to see the output as capital letter vowel and a small letter vowel. So I have written this capital letter vowels in first line in if statement and in a small letters vowel in elif statements. If this condition is true, means if you have inputted capital letter vowel, you will see this output. If you have inputted small letter vowel, you will see a small letter vowel. If you have inputted consonant, means not vowel, then you will see else statement. Now a small letter vowel, again capital letter, again not vowel. This is if statement, this is elif statements, and this is else statements. Okay. Another program, this is not a string comparison, this is a number comparison, first number, second number. In n1 I have to enter first number and in n2 I have to enter second number. If n1 equal to n2, then print equal. If n1 greater than n2, then you will see first number is big and else second number is big. Now I want to check this program. Enter first number 7, enter second number 3. First number is big. Now again run 9, 17. second number is big. Again run, 67 and 67 number is equal. You can see in this program, if this statement is true, then you will see this output, print equal. If n1 greater than equal to, you will see first number is greater, else second number is greater. And you can see in this program I have used int function because we have to convert the inputted value in number. Again, I have written this program by using only if statement. There is no concept of elif or else. N1 equal to N2, print equal. N1 greater than N2, print first number is big. N1 less than N2, second number is big. Second number is big. Number is equal. First number is big. Means in this program, I have used only if statement, and in if statement we have to write this condition again and again. If I change this, we have to write here elif, and if this place else. Now you will see the same output. First number 8, second number 8, number is equal. First number 9, second number 3, first number is big. Again, first number 4, second number 9, second number is big. Now I hope you have all understood this concept of if else and if elif statements. Now I want to discuss this one by one again. You can see this program, N1, N2, this is written in if statement, this is elif statement, and this is else. Again, vowel check. You can see this long line because I have to enter 10 vowels one by one, 5 capital letter vowels and 5 small letter vowels. And in another program, you can see I have separated capital letters vowels and small letters vowels. So I have used here if, elif and else statements. Next, string comparison you have already seen. I hope you all understand this. Thank you.